Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all this beautifully designed salwar. This is actually a dress material. I got it from Bangalore Commercial Street. It's been a while, but I remember the price only around the price range, which I'm going to share with you all at the end of my video. So this is how the dress looks. Since this is a dress material, I got this stitched, and this is how it's like a simple neck design that I've selected. And for the hands, they have given this nice beautifully designed color combinations with green, pink and golden border in this, and then all over we have like these stones attached to the dress. And if you notice at the bottom of the salwar, you have this very nicely designed, and also the borders, they have increased the border colors and everything. The dress, since it's a stitching one, I got this lining, and also at the back of the dress there is like very plain simple, nothing fancy there. So the main reason it caught my eye is especially with the color combinations here. All these colors are very simple and subtle. So, and especially with this design, they have given all over stones and everything. So this is how the dress overall looks. And if you notice, the hands also I have given only this plain color, no lining inside, and it's very good actually. So overall the dress is like a beautifully designed dress with the color combinations, especially the way that they have added green and purple is taking the dress to the next level. So for this, the first dupatta that I got is with the dress. So again, for the dupatta, they have given this plain simple design, not purple and extra gold here, just the green and pink color. So they have given a darker pink with a lot of stones and everything. So they have given this light pink versus dark pink, which is a very neat and a unique look. So overall, with all the stones and everything, I can easily wear this to a party wear. So that's why I loved this dress when I bought it. And the material, I'm not sure exactly what is the material, but it's like a very lightweight actually. The dress is very lightweight and very soft, but I'm not sure about the material. Moving on to the second dupatta. This is the second dupatta I got it. It's actually a mix and match from a different dress. So if you notice here, we have this light green color combination. Still it matched very well, especially the dupatta, because it has this darker pink. We see the difference of like why Shilpa matched this and everything. And this one is actually a cotton one, so even the dress is like kind of like, you know, stiff material, like cotton kind of material. So I felt like even this one will be a very good combination for the dress that we have here. And if you notice the way that it matched, and then that light green tone is like, you know, popping the colors that we have on the overall dress. So that's the reason. So moving on to the third dupatta. This is the dupatta. This one is actually a georgette or silk material. I got it from my sister. I don't know whether she got it for a different dress or she bought this separately, but this one, since it's a material is georgette, it flows all over the dress, which is very good. And then the beauty of mix and match is, you know, even though it doesn't have green color, the overall it looks very good. Especially the concept here for this dress is like, you know, for this dupatta is like it's a floral pattern. It has all these colors and everything. Even though we don't have green color, it doesn't matter, since it has this light pink and dark pink colors. It's really elevating the entire look of the dress. So that's the reason I've matched this. And also this, you know, the color of this dupatta, you know, really matching to the stones that we got here. So that's why I loved it a lot. And you know, the pattern here is also very good with all this gold and everything. And this is a close look of it. Let me know in the comments which one you like. So these are the three different dupattas that we have selected. Each one gives a different look. And now let's move on to the jewelry. So this is the jewelry that I have selected. This one is like, I did not make this, I just got it. So it's very simple pearl design. The reason why I have selected this is like, you know, if you notice, the baby pink and pearls is like a very good match. And also the entire dress has this shiny kind of things that they have added. So I thought like this one would be more accurate for this one. So now let's move on to the earrings. This is the first earrings that I've selected. This one is like a light and a dark color tones in here, more of a purple color. So our dress is also like, you know, we are trying to match light color with dark color tones and everything. So that's the reason I have selected this. So these are the simple earrings. Now the second ones are my favorite. These are very simple, cute, perfectly matching to the dress that we have. And then the third one are these metal earrings. These ones is like a flower design, and my sister got these for me. I'm sure these are from Bangalore. So these are very good, and it matched very well to the inside bead, and everything is very well matching to the entire look of the dress. So this is the overall 3 earrings that we have selected today. Now moving on to the bracelets or the bangles. This is the first bracelet. Very easy to make at home also, because all they have added is this one simple bead, and around this they have just added these pearls. These are not real pearls. And then the next bracelet, or kada that I should say, it's my all-time favorite. This is very good. It matches both to western wear and Indian wear, so especially for linen kind of saris it matches very well. So moving on to the third one, the reason why I'm showing 3 different ones, this came as a set, and it's like a real sterling silver. I'm sure you have seen the first one, but the second two, this is my first time showing. It looks like a bangle, but they have it's like a really elastic kind of material. Actually, it's just like you have to stretch it to wear it. So I thought this one is like a very good design. Even though it has this red color tone more, but it matches very well, because we are trying to match all this dress today with silver kind of jewelry and everything. So like I mentioned, this is real sterling silver. So coming to the price of this dress, like I mentioned, I did not remember the exact price, so it's around 2500 rupees. And then I think it's really a good deal, because it looks like a party wear with all these stones and everything. So I thought 2500 rupees is very good price for this. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do give a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.